I want to do a quick comparison between LinkedIn Live and Instagram Live because I just got the LinkedIn Live feature. So 2 days ago, I went live on Instagram because LinkedIn Live was not working for me, and I think like 129 people hopped on. And it's awesome conversation, awesome engagement, and then LinkedIn Live, which I know is like kind of comparing apples and oranges because they're beta testing right now. But the first LinkedIn Live I did, I think at most I had 600 people watching at one time. There was over 14,000 views on the post, over 552 likes on the post, and just a ridiculous amount of comments. Like that's the amount of traffic that's happening on LinkedIn Live right now. But in terms of like functionality and UI and UX, I'm not a fan at all right now. So right now you have to go through like this third-party software. They give you like 3 different options right now, and I have done each of mine as of now on mobile. So it's like this app called Switcher, which is awesome. It's just weird going through a different app to stream on LinkedIn, but it's super bulky. So on mobile, I'm not able to see anybody that is commenting, anybody that's engaging. I'm only able to see myself live streaming. So a workaround for that, I have to go on my laptop and basically watch myself, but it's delayed on there right now. But in terms of like possibilities, like LinkedIn Live, it's just, there's so much potential there. There's 500 million people on the platform right now, and I think of that, like 10 million are, I'm not sure on the exact numbers. I was watching Zach Scriven's video on this before, and I think he said, don't quote me, but I think he said 10 million decision makers on the platform, which is incredible. And regardless, like there's a lot of money there and a lot of decision makers and a lot of C-suites on that platform now. So the potential there is amazing for like BTS, for events, for Q&As, for workshops and things like that. So I'm super bullish on this platform, but also super bullish on this feature. I'll be going live probably every single day doing various things because my buddy Mark Metry is deciding to do the same thing, and I'm super competitive, but I'm super geeked about this feature and the potential of this feature because again, like so many decision makers on the platform, and Instagram is great. I love how easy it is. I love how simple it is, but LinkedIn, everybody gets a notification, hey, they're going live. And right now it's super easy to stand out because not a lot of people are doing it. Again, I love Instagram, but LinkedIn, that's where it's at, and that's where I'm going to be spending a lot of my time in the future.